My grandmother, if you're ever sick, you get herb tea.
What part of Jamaica are you from?
Matilda's Kalana, Ligini.
I was born on Lady Musgrave Road, 33 Lady Musgrave Road,
What parish is that
St.
in?
Andrew.
St. Andrew.
Trelawney.
Port Antonio. Depends on where both St. Thomas and Kingston.
Kingston.
Same Kingston.
Port Morant, St. Thomas.
Marambia. Where the revolution happened, right? Paul Bogle. I remember, so, we're bad,
Kingston.
Kingston.
I'm from Moby.
I'm from Todd's Road, Trinidad.
Wait, did you know that Chinese-Jamaicans existed and they speak fluent patois? In this video, we are going to dive right in and we are going to explore how this came about. Please make sure you subscribe as you enjoy this content, because today we are exploring Jamaica and learning about the wonderful country. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why Jamaica's motto makes so much sense. Watch this until the end and I'll be back with more commentary.
You say when you grow up Chinese, your skin have a tick, But if you grow up Chinese-Jamaican, you can't let nobody tell you what your worth is. That means that nobody can tell me what me worth. But you see, when me go take up myself, go watch Kids Baking Championship and MasterChef Junior, Lord God, one piece of headache. Because what do you mean? What do you mean you're 8 to 11 years old and you know all of this technicality of cooking? You know the words, you know the actual technique, you know to cook, you know how when food is ready without even like tasting it and testing it. Like, yo, if you have a kid like that, big up yourself, because you must be doing something right. But if a kid is naturally talented, like, yo, make sure you do anything and everything you can to feed into that talent. There's something so amazing about kids who are so young and so passionate and already know what they want. Which is so funny when they come on the interviews and they're like, I've been cooking all my life since I was 2. So like 7 years of your life? Like, what do you mean?
Yes, man.
Yes, man. Listen, in England, this is how a thing goes. The teacher got me, what will I tell you? Go on, bro. Thing good?
Yeah, man. Everything good, man. Respect.
No,
man. Talk some more, man. No, man. Don't go here. Talk some more, man.
What you say? What you talk?
Some more. What your favorite artist?
My favorite artist? No, you want to say, but you know
dancehall artist.
Da Vinci, Chronix, Peter Tosh. You know about Peter Tosh?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. What about popcorn?
Popcorn. Always popcorn. Thing
Give me a poppy song. See my poppy song.
Gangster City, man. Come on. You don't know about Gangster City?
Yeah, man. That's the best one, yeah?
Oh, man. I tell you.
Respect and manners.
Come on, man. Let's come on.
Shiny man, talk again.
Big up.
I got the blood.
I am born.
I am man.
Yeah, man, that's what we're born, man.
You born in Jamaica? So you have the accent so lock put on for yourself.
But they're on the right people, them.
Oh, okay. So you like, don't you?
I'm a place there,
You see? I am born.
Mommy, what you doing? What you do?
Some fish, I cook fish in Chinese style.
No, so why you have newspaper up on the ground?
No, I have to put that when the fish fry, the oil fly out of the pot and what's on the tail. So I fry the fish out. Because when the window open, the breeze I blow the thing.
Yo, I care about that with the one every day. Hey, watch out. Watch out. What is now? What is?
The Chinese black bean, Chinese bean curd, Chinese pickled ham choy, and that's scallion, ginger, and garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper.
Who the hell put newspaper up on the ground for cook? What?
Uncle Roy, which part of Jamaica are you from? They want to know.
I'm from Maypen, Clarendon.
From Racecourse.
I never go school kiss on.
Racecourse, and then there's Ali.
Yeah.
Ali, Racecourse, Milk River,
Kensington.
Dark in Spain, and then there's Banks, and then Rocky Point is off.
Down the point.
Yeah, down the point.
Down there. We used to go and catch crab. Oh, my Lord.
Stop that. J Flock on me and give the people what they want. And not my fault. Tasha, big up. What you know about. So how you gonna learn that? Alright, repeat after me. Do you want to learn Hakka? Ni, Seong, Hok, Hakka, Wamao. Ni song my near cousin. Me na cousin so everybody that on the live there. I give me gift and me coulda cuss anybody? Okay. Grow up with the most Chinese at Constant Spring. Me never reach Constant Spring, so my parents' money them never did tall, so we did dep on flat land, plains. We did dep on the plains. No Constant Spring. Okay. Bombat. I'm all on there. Alright. We're going to learn ni, you, ni.
How much is it? Package is $2.49.
You're talking like Chinese. You're Jamaican?
He's a yard man.
A yard man?
Yes, yard man.
Born
and brought Jamaica.
Where Jamaica from?
Well, born in Kingston, grew up in Manchester.
Really?
Yeah. We come from Galdeville.
Galdeville?
Yes.
Alright. Clarendon, where come from still?
Alright, what part of Clarendon?
Frankfield.
Frankfield, yeah, man. Used to go to with the Wilford boys and used to go to school with them from Frankfield.
Yeah, we go ahead and high school.
Yeah. When I was at the Carteret.
Okay.
DC.
DC?
Yes.
It's one of our best schools.
Right. Good.
Alright, but look, you feel stuff here.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
What a lucky thing say with the America look green card. Mommy, what would have happened if they send me back to China? We're not dead.
That's all my father them when they wake up themselves. Yeah. Joe sing good morning.
How here?
And then say Shak Joe is breakfast.
Breakfast.
Me not know no more Chinese language, period. Anybody want to say me know it? Yes, me know it, but me not talking it. I know what I know. When she got China, she know not much either.
Talk to him again.
He ain't Chinese.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, bye.
Chinese-Jamaican Pops with his story.
Yeah. I'm glad to take it off, because when me not go race, my car that blow off the color,
Hey, what a wicked man, Hey, how you say so? You say
yeah. So you're lucky. Me no mind you take off the color because me not save you all that money because
come off anyway.
me not blow it off with my car.
Yes, sir. You used to have sound system back in it.
When my set, yeah. Me make Rastaman dance soca,
Back in the day.
Yeah.
Believe. First Macintosh I had.
Yeah, man. Rastaman. You gotta make Rastaman dance soca, when me have to keep down. So me are not ordinary, man.
Here's my Jamaican Chinese grandma. We're saying words in Canadian English accent and then in patois. The first one, mother.
Mama,
What's going on?
where go on?
Yeah, what go on? Quarter, like a quarter.
Oh, quarter.
Yeah. Little.
Little.
No, you don't say it like that.
Little.
You don't say it like that. You say it with a K.
That me?
Yeah, you always say little.
Little.
Okay. Battery.
Battery.
Water.
Water. Me now go down there.
Me not go down there.
Me now, but you say fast. Me now go down there.
Think.
Think. I was tutored by a British lady.
You do sound British sometimes.
Yes, yeah.
Where are you going?
Where you going?
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Brother.
Brother. But I know they would say brother.
Dirty.
Dirty. I've lived here longer than I've lived in Jamaica.
Alright, you passed the test. Miss Jamaica.
This was a staple. Jamaican Chinese surnames. Xiang Lu. My auntie speaks fluent Haga. So when I don't know how to say things, I gotta call my aunties, like Auntie Shirley. I always call Auntie Christine. We learn together, y'all.
Did you know the Chinese community in Jamaica started with railroad workers fleeing yellow fever? Here's their story. In the mid-19th century, many Chinese laborers sought better lives in Panama and California. By 1854, groups of Chinese immigrants arrived in Jamaica, initially to work on railroads. Facing diseases like yellow fever, many settled in Jamaica, laying the foundation for a vibrant Chinese community. In the 1860s and 1880s, more Chinese immigrants arrived, driven by opportunities in farming and trade. Despite facing racial slurs and harsh conditions, they thrived. They established grocery stores, introduced items like rice and saltfish into Jamaican cuisine, and formed close-knit communities. By the 20th century, the Chinese had become integral to Jamaica's economic and social fabric. They overcame restrictive immigration laws and significant challenges to make lasting contributions to Jamaican culture. Chinese-Jamaicans have made notable contributions in various fields, from business to politics. They have established prominent grocery stores, restaurants, and even banks, influencing the island's economy and culture. Did you know about the...
We are talking about Chinese Jamaicans, a story many people don't even know exists. What's up, family? Welcome back to Smith Radar. If this is your first time here, I react to culture, history, and global stories that connects us. Today's video is about something that actually surprised me. Chinese people who are fully Jamaican in identity, soul, and culture, but they are fully Jamaican. One thing that stands out immediately is this. These individuals are ethnically Chinese, yes, but they were born and raised in Jamaica. They speak with a Jamaican accent. They grew up in Jamaican schools, eat Jamaican food, and they identify as Jamaican, not halfway, not part-time, fully. That raises an important question. What actually makes someone Jamaican? Is it race or culture? Another thing I found interesting is the explanation of the Jamaican accent. A lot of people assume it's purely African, but it's actually a product of Jamaica's melting pot. These are influences of Africa, Europe, even Ireland. And over time, it's formed what we recognize as Jamaican speech. So when you hear a Chinese Jamaican speaking patois fluently, it's not strange. It's history. Historically, Chinese people arrived in Jamaica in the 1800s after slavery ended. They came as indentured laborers, just like other groups, looking for opportunity, survival, and a future. At first, they faced discrimination, isolation, and hardship. But instead of staying separate, they blended slowly, naturally into the Jamaican society. One undeniable impact Chinese Jamaicans have had is on the economy. Many became shopkeepers, supermarket owners, wholesalers, businesses that Jamaicans rely on daily. For generations, Chinese-run shops have been part of everyday Jamaican life. They didn't just do business in Jamaica, they built Jamaica. And of course, let's talk about food, because culture lives in food. Chinese Jamaicans didn't abandon their heritage, and they didn't reject Jamaican culture either. They fused it. Chinese style fried rice with a Jamaican twist, local seasoning, local flavor. Of course, that's not replacement, it's contribution. What really hit me was this part. When Chinese Jamaicans travel abroad, people still recognize them as Jamaican. Why? The accent, patois, they speak patois, the mannerism, the culture, because identity isn't just blood, it's how you live, out of many, one people. That's Jamaica's motto. Out of many, one people. Black, Chinese, Indian, white, mixed together, intermarried, unified. Jamaican identity is cultural, not racial. And honestly, this story shows the world how unity can actually work. If this surprised you, like the video. If you learned something, subscribe and tell me in the comments, did you know Chinese Jamaicans existed? Make sure you drop down in the comment section and let's discuss. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end. I hope you've learned something, because I sure have. I have learned a lot from this video? Those in Jamaica, you can drop in the comments and also tell us. Of course, I know you know there are very many Chinese in Jamaica, so tell us, how is it like? Out of many, one people. Tell us what you understand by that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back with the next one. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, for I will be dropping more content. Thank you.